Hey everyone, oh it's so hot here, you've no idea, it is so hot. Never going to complain because winter will be here soon and I'll be freezing my buggeries off. So in this video I want to show you a really cool technique that I love to do because it makes your blusher come to life. It makes it look like the skin is radiating shine or shimmer but from underneath the skin, which is how I prefer it. We're all like, I want a shimmer. Well, do you really everywhere with that much? I don't think it's a good idea, miss. So I'm going to use this product because it's really cool and I've just ordered 3 more. It's the new Charlotte Tilbury bar of gold and there's 3 of them here now. So you've got your original and 3 other colors so you can pick and choose. Really nice. So I'm going to use this as an example. So what I'm going to do is just go over the products, and I know some of you will wonder, right, but the formula is different to the original bar of gold, so it don't crumble no more, which is really good. So what I want to do is you apply the highlighter first to your finished face, so no blusher, nothing else, right? So you apply the highlighter first. So I'm going to apply blusher here. So I want to apply the highlighter in this area, okay? So this is where I want the kind of product to come through. Let me zoom in. I don't know if that helped because it's so bloody bright in here. So this is where I want there to be shine. Because why would I not, you know? Why would you not? So I like it nice and high, right here. So you can kind of just see it there. So let's pack a bit more on. And then again on the other side. Come on, darling, build up. Beautiful. So when it's like that, you know, Instagram crazy, although I don't think that's Instagram crazy to some of you, but it is to me. You're then going to take a blusher. Now I want to use a standard pink blush. So a matte blusher that's got no shimmer in because I've already got shimmer here. And then I apply the blusher over the area that I've just applied that shimmer. So I'm applying it quite, what's the word? Hard, just so you can kind of see it, I hope. So we're going to build that up a little bit. And what's happening is you're layering the blusher over the highlighter. That's a lot, I'm going to deal with it, don't worry. And therefore you've got the shimmer of the blusher, the shimmer of the highlighter, but the matte of the blusher, so the shimmer is pushing through the blusher. So I've applied a lot, so what I'm going to do, and this is what I tend to do anyway, is I take like a number 2 brush, so this is mine, obviously, because it would be rude to use somebody else's, very rude. And then I morph the 2 in, so that I'm buffing again, both of them into one. And that way, what you're left with is this look, this ethereal look, where there is shimmer pushing through the blusher rather than the other way around where it sits on top of the blusher, if that makes sense. And for me, I just think this works so incredibly well because it just looks so pretty and so girly and so just scrumptious, like, oh, you just want to pinch the cheeks, that kind of look. So this is why I really love it. Now you can use it with a loose blusher, a loose highlighter or a pressed highlighter, your favorite highlighter, whatever it is, and it works beautiful every single time. I absolutely love it. Now of course the lighting in here is absolutely shocking because of the brightness of the lights, which means it doesn't always transfer to camera the same way that it would do in real life. So you're just going to have to take my word for it. It's bloody delicious, I promise. Also, I wanted to mention one thing because I've seen a lot of comments recently about it. So, this room is made of stone. Stone walls, stone floor. Now, when I speak, there can be an echo sound to it. And people are like, you should invest in a microphone. Well, I have. It's attached to here. It makes no difference because it's a stone room. I tried laying towels on the floor, I put rugs down. Unless I redesign the room, as in put carpeting down and all of that stuff, there's going to be an echo because it's bouncing around. And I'm not prepared to do that because I can't. I'm not allowed. So I cannot do it That's the end of it. I know it's a bit awful or awkward with the kind of echoey thing, but there's nothing I can do about it. I'm really, really sorry. Very sorry. See you next time. Bye-bye. So if you've made it to the end, little story for you. I'm a big fan of politeness. I'm very cheeky in real life. Very cheeky. But I'm very polite. I enjoy politeness. So the other day I was sat with my friend and we were in a beer garden and we were just talking, and to my side there was a gentleman. He was drawing a picture of Johnny Depp from Pirates of the Caribbean. So I was like, but he was minding his own business and having a lovely day. Opposite me there were two other gentlemen and they were just talking. This gentleman who's drawing finishes his drawing, walks over to the other people and hands this guy this picture and says, "This is for you." So the other guy was like, "Thanks." And then the drawing guy went to the toilet and came back. Now I was just thinking, and as the drawing guy came back and sat down, the gentleman opposite, and this was his exact words, he said, "Thank you so much." Now, the guy opposite, the one who just received the drawing, he is very average. No, I don't mean this in a bad way, but it's just an average looking guy, completely normal looking. He was so polite and so considerate of this guy's feelings and so kind that instantly he was the best looking person I had seen ever, because he was so polite and so courteous of somebody else's feelings. Just thought I'd share that with you. It doesn't take a lot to please me. Please, thank you. I adore the words "thank you so much." I think it's so polite. Thank you is really nice. Thank you so much. There's something about that is so endearing to me. It's like if you hold the door for somebody, "Thank you so much." You know, it's politeness, taking a step. You know, I love it. I just thought I'd share that story with you because these things touch me. And I like to be touched, but I never am. See you next time. Bye-bye.